Hey guys, Casey here with farmhacker.com, and today I want to show you how to start a wood chip vegetable garden from scratch. Wood chip gardening offers many benefits. The wood chips help keep water in the soil by preventing it from evaporating as fast as it normally would. Wood chips also help suppress weeds by creating a ground cover. And finally, as the wood chips break down, they organically fertilize your garden for free. These benefits make wood chip gardening great for growing vegetables. Because wood chips take time to break down, wood chip gardens are usually more productive after their first year. But don't let that discourage you from building one now. You can also build them in the fall in preparation for the following year. With that being said, here's how we started our wood chip garden from scratch. The first step was making sure we could get wood chips for free. Lots of tree removal and tree trimming services need a place to dump their wood chips, so we were able to find one that dumped theirs at our farm. If you need wood chips, call all of your local tree removal and tree trimming services and ask them if they are looking for a place to dump their wood chips. You can also sign up on a website called ChipDrop.com to let tree trimming services know that you will take their wood chips. After we had our wood chips, we did a few things to prepare the garden area. The first thing we did was put our chickens in the future garden area for about a month so they would fertilize the soil for us. After that, we put our pigs in the future garden area and let them till it up for us. This is the equivalent of mending your soil with fertilizer and tilling it in using a tiller. Neither of these steps are required, but we did this to help jumpstart our soil. Next, we covered the soil with cardboard to help kill off any weeds that might have gotten left behind. The cardboard will eventually break down and turn into soil. This is a pretty important step in my opinion, especially if you don't till the soil first. You can also use non-glossy newspaper if you don't have cardboard. Next, we covered the cardboard with manure and compost. If you don't have manure and compost, don't worry. Just skip this step. Again, this was just to help give our soil a jump start. After this, we covered the entire area with wood chips. I highly recommend adding more wood chips than you think you'll need. As they start settling in and breaking down, they will be a lot thinner than they were when you first put them on. Finally, we sprayed the entire garden area with water and let it set for about a day. After that, we were ready to start planting. When you are ready to plant, simply pull the wood chips away from the area you're going to plant in. You'll have to rip a hole in the cardboard or newspaper underneath until it breaks down. To maintain your garden, just add a fresh layer of wood chips every year. When weeds pop up, simply pull them out and toss them aside. Here are a few pictures of another wood chip garden we built so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. And that's it. This is a simple way to start a wood chip garden from scratch. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks. Hey guys, if you like this video, please check the description below for links to items we may have used, as well as a link to our website, farmhacker.com, where you'll find more awesome stuff like this. Also, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified as soon as there are new videos posted. Thanks for watching.